75 degrees. It's amazing. We're sitting on our terrace, eating, enjoying the waves and the beautiful scenery.
Today we decided for a little adventure. So we drove up here to Salerno to come to IKEA. We're gonna check it out, see what it looks like. And it looks like Emma's even invited. Even Emma's welcome here at IKEA. We just met some other people coming out with their two big dogs. And they said, "What? Of course you can take your dogs."
So we got little lunch. It's chocolate muffin, creme brulee with fruits, a sandwich, cafe, zabayone, something, and the drink. $11.50. Tonight we're in the great Siciliano Ristorante and we have our aperitivo. So we will see what is for tonight because it's always different, and we will show to you what the selection is for tonight.
This is probably my favorite aperitivo in Scalea. It's big, cheese and meat, olives, and then there's an assortment of fried goodies. And there's some arancini of various kinds, filled with various things. These are really cool. They look like deep fried olives, which I've never seen. Some potatoes and other veggies down there. And then to top it off, we have some, what's that over there? Some kind of stuffed bread with meat and cheese. And then these are my favorite. They're little potato croquettes with some meat and cheese on top. And then pizza.
And it's big. And what are you drinking?
The one and only Aperol Spritz. It's the only thing to have when you're having aperitivo.
This restaurant is very known for their arancini, and we are very fortunate that they put small versions in their aperitivo. So we'll try this one. Oh, so great.
A minute ago I said these were deep fried peppers. I was wrong. They're actually deep fried capers, which were very tasty. A little bigger than the capers I'm used to seeing, but a lot of taste in them.
For dessert, we're going again to eat graffa. This is our place. We will take it. It's our favorite sweet. We have a video about graffa. You can check it on our channel and see how it's done, how it's made, and what it is. Sure. tastes so good. It's so soft and light and great dessert. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us.